Kauban sa akong mga higala, naporma ang organisasyon na iLearners. Sa una, kinilang usa ka outreach program, among na-realize nga dako gyud ang problema sa ato mountain barangays, especially sa mga primary schools. Oo nga, ang tumong gyud sa iLearners is to fight rural illiteracy so we could address the problem sa mga primary schools sa mountain barangays. We first adopted Lunas Elementary School. They were about to close because kamay raman ang nag-enroll. So karon, we helped them by giving books and notebooks and of course other school supplies. And we are happy na karon they're still open, and from 46 now they're 80 students. Kami mga iLearners kay madasigon sa pagtuwa sa kapamilya winner ka para sa among bag-ong i-adopt na school. Of course, some of the winnings will proceed to Lunas Elementary School.